How to use Quick Notes on iPhone. On iPhone, Quick Notes lets you jot something down instantly without fully opening the Notes app, and here is how to use it. First of all you have to do is drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Or else, for the older iPhones, simply drag down the control center from the bottom of your screen. Now, once inside the control center, long press on the empty area and you will get to see Add Control Center at the bottom. Tap on it. Now here, search for the Quick Notes. You can simply scroll and look for it, or for the easier access, use the search address bar, type down Quick Notes and tap on the Quick Notes icon available there. And now that is it. All Quick Notes are stored in the Notes app under a special folder called Quick Notes. You can move or organize them later. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.